Yeah, good night. This is your boy Buck got it. And I just wanna let you know that when tough times come, you gotta learn to save. And what I did, I've put away some coins. I've been saving them up for some time now. I'll say maybe I don't want to lie. I think I've been saving these now probably over a 5 years period. And I got some bills to pay and business ain't so good. That's why I tell you all to do business with Buck got it. But on the flip side of it, you can teach your child how to save. So usually what I do whenever I go out and I come back home, I just save my coins, right? So you have 10 cents, 1 cent, and 2 cents. Now the 1 cent and the 2 cent them, I will check the bank. They say that I can bring them in, 100 pieces for $1, but I have to put them on my account, right? So they can change them. So, boy, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Yeah, trust me. This is a serious thing. When I gonna do that? I don't know, but boy, yeah, see ya, it's a lot of money. Boy. Boy, somebody got to stick that can in it. Come on. Oh, see that money. Boy, I feel like a millionaire. Oh, I feel like a millionaire. I feel rich. You smile, right? And them children say, me yum. Me yum. Bucky, you got a lot of money, yeah? Me yum in money, Bucky got. Bucky, we in there. All the money there. Money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Come to me now. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Money, come to me now. Money, come to me now. Pull it in, pull it. Yeah, I get the song from my brother. That's when they got church. This is a song that I sing. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Money, come to me now. Money, come to me now. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Money, come to me. See? Now, just imagine, right, that these were all 1 cent, right? Just imagine these are all 1 cent. Why? This money in here is so packed. It's so packed. I'm trying to get them out. Come out, boy. Time to go to the bank. You have reached your maximum. This is 2019. Boy, these here is so stick in here. Yeah, see them in there? They're tight, so they have to come out. But no worry, they don't come out. Because when broke times hit you, I don't know how I'm going to give you the account. But, boy, come out. But anyway, yeah, I have a next bottle here. And, yeah, the tide to come out. Okay, let me see if I can put the camera here. So, yeah, hope you can see. Hope you can see. Yeah, trust me. Boy, this ain't gonna work out. So, let me see if I can use a scissors and cut this open. It's like when I got this like when I got a piggy bank, you know. Yeah, this like you got a piggy bank, and you know, your Christmas come, and you gotta break your piggy bank open. So I'm breaking my piggy bank open. Okay. Yeah, let me get back the camera. I hope you was able to see. So, like I say, yeah, 2 cents, 1 cent, 10 cents, 5 cents. Yeah, they all here. Oh, money. Oh, boy. This feel like when you're doing the treasure hunt and you win. Boy, I should get some children to count these. I think I'm going to put them back into one bottle. And I'm going to get some children to count these and then take them to the bank and see how much I can get. This is the boy, Bucky Let and Bucky I got it, letting you know, teach your child how to save for a rainy day. Over and out.